Today, I want to talk about all the legitimate and legal ways you can go about making money. Now, yesterday I talked about what you shouldn't do, and so today I'm going to be talking about what you should be doing instead. So if you watched yesterday's video, this will be like it, but on the flip side, telling you the things that you should be doing instead. If you didn't watch the video from yesterday, then I think you should go watch that one first, and then come back to this video because that way it will make more sense to you. Now, before I get into all the details here, just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel or you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian and I post personal finance related videos here on YouTube every day. So if you like this kind of content or it interests you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to the channel, and this way you'll be able to get the updates from this channel every day when I post a new video. So yesterday, one of the first ways to make money fast I mentioned was with credit or debit cards. If you want to, you can make money from debit and credit cards the right way, and this is the way that's slow and not going to make you a millionaire in a day or two. So you could churn credit cards or you could apply for cash rewards credit cards to replace your other credit cards that don't give you anything. So if you have a credit card that charges you an annual fee, gives you no rewards and has no sign-up bonuses, then you can switch to a credit card that can offer you a sign-on bonus of, let's say, $500 and then pay no annual fees, which now saves you a lot of money compared to your old credit card. And then if the card gets you cash back, then that's also a plus because now you get cash back from all the purchases that you were always making before. So no debit or credit card theft here and no swiping. Just a very legitimate way of making money from credit cards. However, this isn't going to make you a lot of money, so if you want to make a lot of money, then you should watch my video on creating an ATM machine business. And this is when you'll go to a business, even if they already have an ATM machine there, and try to offer them a better deal than whoever has that ATM there. So this way, you get people to use the ATM and you charge a fee for them using that ATM, and this will generate you much more in income every day. And I have all the details about how to go about setting that business up. So if you like the idea, be sure to check that video out. Now, the second way to make money legally is by having a business, or even if you don't have a business, you can still do this, and this is by making deductions from your taxes. So yesterday I mentioned tax evasion, which was illegal or is still illegal, and this is something that people do to make money where they underreport how much they make. Now, if you are operating a business, no matter how small it is, you can deduct business expenses from your taxes. So for example, let's say you started that private lending business I spoke about 3 days ago, and you had to use a freelancer to create a website and create business cards and also run ads on Google so people could find you or your business. When tax season rolls around, you would be able to deduct the cost of those expenses from your taxes, thus making your taxable income less and saving you a lot of money. So instead of not reporting how much you truly make to save on taxes, just keep very good records and deduct all expenses that you possibly can. And this way you can save money or make money from taxes legally because you would have gotten all those services for free in a sense. Now, another method of making money illegally that I talked about yesterday was by money laundering. And there's actually no way to make this legal, so just don't try it. Instead, if you really need money quickly, you should just opt for a loan. Now, the good thing about having a business is that you can build a credit score for that business and have higher access to higher loan amounts than you could with your personal credit. Now, I also mentioned the PayPal no credit check business loan a few days ago in another video, where you could get a business loan with no credit check from PayPal and have the money in your bank account in just a few minutes. And that was a loan where people get approved for 6 figures easily. So if you're in business, you never really have to worry about needing cash. Report all your income to the IRS and make all the deductions that you can. And then if you ever need some fast cash, then you get a business loan to take care of it. Now, finally, the last thing I want to mention, or the last thing I mentioned yesterday, was identity theft and how people can make a lot of money by doing it. And there's no way to make money legally from stealing people's identity. However, instead of doing that, you could become an affiliate of identity insurance coverages. So just as how you could be an affiliate for anything else, you can create a blog, and this may cost you just $100. And on this blog, you will include links to identity protection insurance and monitoring services. And in exchange for promoting these services, each time someone signs up for the service, you get paid a commission. So here you're actually doing people good by getting them insurance to protect themselves, and you also make money while doing it. This is another business if you want to create a website for $100 to make money or flip it later on. So these are all legal and legitimate ways that you can make money online. And if you take nothing else away from this video, the main point is this. All the illegal stuff that we spoke about yesterday can be replaced with legal ones. You don't have to do any of that stuff to make money. Sure, you can make $100,000 in a day or two, but why do that when you could start a business for $100 and in a year or two you'll be able to make $100K per year easily, and you never have to worry about going to jail or losing that income. Again, I have over 200 videos here on this channel and I post a new one every day, and most of these videos are about making money, and I'm sure even if you have $100 or that's all you have, you'll be able to learn about multiple businesses that you can start for that amount of money. And if you have 10 or 100K, there are still businesses that I've talked about on this channel that you can get into to make more money. So comment down below and let me know what you think about this now. If you watched the video yesterday and you've watched this one, let me know what you think about the legal versus the illegal ways of making money, and also let me know why you think some people, although they have the opportunity to make a lot of money in a legal and legitimate way, they still insist on doing illegal things, which they know will ultimately land them in trouble. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful in the sense of avoiding those illegal ways of making money and using these legal ways of making money. And if you'd like to see more videos about making money illegally, then give this video a thumbs up, as that's the way these videos get recommended to more people, can potentially help someone out as well, and I'll really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos here on the channel on credit cards, banking apps, savings accounts, investments, ways to make money, and much more. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to turn all notifications on for this channel, as that's the only way you'll be able to get the updates of when I post new videos here. And remember, I'll be posting a new video here every single day. I'm also leaving some links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, I hope this video was very helpful. All the best with your business and making money, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.